Hey, what's going on, P? To all y'all out there, I got this new product. I don't know if you guys heard it before. So this is Batana Oil. This is gonna be the Batana Oil from Honduras, and we're gonna try it out here. All right, I'm gonna unbox it and see what's inside. Let's do it. I just got a haircut, a nice little shape up, you know. I'm trying to grow my hair out. This is how much I have for now. All right, we're gonna try to see what it do. That's the barber right there. Say what's up.
Hello. Yeah, got your coffee right now.
This is what it comes in. Comes in a plastic. Okay. Nice little plastic film. Well, let's see what else is inside. There's some instructions. Comes in a nice gold package, you guys can see. I like this gold pack.
So beautiful.
Okay. How to use your Batana oil by Aiden for your scalp. Massage a small amount into your scalp every 2 days to nourish and stimulate growth. See, if I didn't read this, I would have been doing this every day. So you don't have to do this every day. If you don't want, I mean, depends how much I want to use too. I'll probably do it like every 2 days, sounds about right. For your hands, apply on damp hair to lock in moisture and restore shine. Reapply every 3 days or as needed for softness and hydration. That's for your hair strands. Okay, for your skin, gently apply a small amount to your dry area to help soften even skin tone and restore natural glow. Oh, you can use it for your skin too. I did not know that. If the Batana oil melts, simply place it in the refrigerator, not the freezer. It will solidify on its own. All right, guys, so this is what this looks like. All right. This is what it looks like. And it looks like the real deal. It really does. I've seen some fake stuff with real creamy and pasteurized and just, you know, and just all, you know, refined. But this is real raw. Like it really says raw, unrefined Batana oil, stored in a cool place. You know, it's pretty cool in here right now, so it's not gonna melt. But I'm pretty sure if I har on it, it'll definitely melt. Yeah, it's actually melting right now. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's already melting in my hand. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is it. I'm gonna press deep down into it. Okay, and I'm gonna just leave it clunky. And this is what it looks like clunky. I'm pretty sure I got the real deal, man. And this is real raw Batana oil from Honduras. And there's only very few brands that are selling this too. There are other brands that are selling it that are just knockoffs. Guys, just be careful. This is a real good one. Yeah, man. I don't know if you guys tried the roll-on ones too. Like I don't know if they're made with a little bit of, I think some of the roll-on ones have like Batana oil in it because it makes it, I don't know, it seems like they do. I gotta read a little bit more about that. But let me know. Let me know if you guys use the roll-on ones, or let me know if you guys use, you know, Batana oil from Honduras, or if you guys use Aiden products, okay? Because a lot of this Batana oil comes from Honduras, especially if it looks like this, real raw. Okay, you know, if it melts down, and I'll show you. I'll probably make another video just showing you if, how it melts down, how it looks when it melts down. So yeah, I'm gonna go and use it. This is the before. All right, not too long, probably like a what? Not even an inch, probably like let's say about an inch. All right. But I'm gonna really use it for about 30 days, and we'll see the difference. Okay, but this will be day one. I'll catch you guys in the next 29 days.